Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the worksheet 1 of our direct and inverse variation. Now coming to the 7th sum, if the weight of 5 sheets of paper is 20 grams, how many sheets of the same paper would weigh 2.5 kg? So it is the number of sheets and the weight. So कम sheets कम weigh करेगा और ज़्यादा sheets ज़्यादा. तो कौन सा वेरिएशन? डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन. लेकिन इधर थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा काम है. क्या है? 5 sheets of paper, it weighs 20 grams. So the weight is in grams. Now how many sheets? You don't know, so you put it X, will weigh 2.5 kg. So they have given in kg, 2.5 kg. But here it is in grams. So convert it. So 2.5 kg, when you convert to grams, 2.5 into 1000, isn't it? So it is 2, 5 and 3 zeros and 1 decimal. So it will be 2500 grams. So you have to write here 2500 grams. So don't write 2.5. You have to keep it in mind. The units, they have to be same. That's all. Extra काम इतना ही है. अभी लिखो, it is a case of, as you already know, we have discussed, it is a case of direct variation. Therefore, the formula, what is it? X by y is equal to k, isn't it? So now you write 5 by 20 is equal to x by 2500. That means 5 into 2500 is equal to 20 into x. That means x is equal to 5 into 2500 upon 20. 0, 0, cut. So it will be 2 1s are 2 125s are 250. So 125 into 5 will be 625. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 1s are 5, 6. Now answer, how many sheets of same paper would weigh weigh 2.5 kg? So 625 sheets weigh 2.5 kg. Hope everyone understood this sum. Extra, you have to convert the kg into grams. That's all. Now coming to the 8th sum, Reena types 600 words in 4 minutes. How much time will she take to type 3150 words? कम टाइम में कम वर्ड्स टाइप कर सकते हैं, ज़्यादा टाइम में ज़्यादा वर्ड्स. तो कौन सा वाला? डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन. सो नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स, टाइम इन मिनट्स. सो 600 वर्ड्स in 4 minutes. So to type 3 number of words 3150, how much time she needs? So here it is 1. So it is a case of direct variation. Therefore, x by y is equal to k. Now you write x is 600 upon y is 4. So 3150 upon y. So 600 into y by cross multiplication, 4 into 3150. So y is equal to 4 into 3150 upon 600. So it is a 0, 0 cut. 4 ones are 4, 2 remains, 5s are 20. Now 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 1 remains, 15 ones are 15. So the answer is 21. So you'll write, what is 21? It is the time. So Reena will take 21 what? Minutes to type 3150 words. Is it clear? Hope everyone is understanding the sums. That was question number 8. Now coming to the question number 9. Rohan takes 14 steps in covering a distance of 2.8 meters, and what distance would he cover in 150 steps? So number of steps, kam distance, zyada steps, zyada distance. Again it is a direct variation. So the quantities, what are they? Number of steps, and second is distance in meter. So 14 steps में 2.8 meter. Now 150 steps में कितना distance? That is y. So it is a case of direct variation. Therefore, x by y is equal to k. 14 by 2.8 is equal to 150 upon y. Hope you are understanding. Now 14 into y is equal to 2.8 into 150. So y is equal to 2.8 into 150 upon 14. Now 14 and 28, you remember, it is 14 ones are, 14 twos are. 14 twos are, but we will write here decimal is there, that is why 0.2. Now 15 twos are 30 and 0. Now 1 decimal. So here the decimal will be there. 0 is cancelled. So that is why the answer is 30. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है ना कैसे कैलकुलेट करने का है. And now what distance would he cover in 150 steps? So Rohan would cover 30 what? 30 meters in 150 steps. Okay. Now coming to the 10th sum. A dealer finds 48 refined oil cans of 5 liters each can be packed in 8 cartons of the same size. मतलब बड़े कार्टन में ये छोटे छोटे ऑयल कैंस 5 लीटर के कैंस को डालते हैं. तो 48 रिफाइंड कैंस के लिए 8 कार्टन्स चाहिए. तो 216 कैंस डालने के लिए कितने कार्टन्स चाहिए? ज़्यादा ही चाहिए, है ना. सो इट इज़ अ केस ऑफ डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन. सो नंबर ऑफ कैंस, हाउ मेनी? इट इज़ 48. 48 cans can be fitted in a 8 cartons. So 216 cans can be fitted in how many cartons? That is y. So right, it is a case of direct variation. For each and every sum First, you have to write this statement with the formula. Therefore, x by y is equal to k. Now, write x is 48, y is 8. On the right side, x is 216 and y. So, cross multiply 48 into y is equal to 8 into 216. So, y is equal to 8 into 216 upon 48. 8 ones are 8, 8 six are 48, 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, 19, 20, 21, 3 remains, 3 and 6, 36, 6 6 are 36. So, answer is 36. Now, answer. What is it? Y? Cartons. So, how many cartons are required? 36 cartons are required to pack 216 cans. Okay, that was question number 10. Now coming to the question number 11. The total cost of 15 newspapers is rupees 37.50. Find the cost of 25 newspapers. Kam newspaper, kam cost, zyada newspaper, zyada cost. Again, it is a case of a direct variation. So, you will write number of newspapers and the cost in rupees. So, 15 newspapers, it is 37.50 rupees. So, 25 newspapers, zyada hai to zyada aane ka hai. So, it is y. We have to find out. So, you will write it is a case of direct variation. All are of the same type sums. If you understand, it is very easy, isn't it? Comparatively, 1 or 2 sums, if you understand and if you have to be confident which type of variation, that you have to understand, and then the method is the same. So, it is a 15 upon 37.50 is equal to 25 upon y. That means 15 into y is equal to 37.50 into 25. So, y is equal to 37.50 into 25 upon 15. Okay, now coming to 5. 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 remains, 3 5s are 15 and 0. Now multiply 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 1s are 5, 6. Now 2 decimal, it is 62.50. So, answer, the cost of 25 newspapers is rupees 62.50. In 62 rupees 50 paise. Now coming to the last sum of worksheet 1. A laborer gets rupees 675 for 9 days work, and how many days he should work to get 900 rupees. कम दिन में कम सैलरी मिलेगा, ज़्यादा दिन में ज़्यादा सैलरी मिलेगा. So he'll get 675 rupees for 9 days. अभी उसको 900 rupees चाहिए, तो कितना दिन काम करने का है? Y. So again it is a case of direct variation. What is the formula? Therefore, x by y is equal to k. Now 675 upon 9 is equal to 900 upon y. Now 675 into y is equal to 9 into 900. So y is equal to 9 into 900 upon 675. So it is a 9 का टेबल में हम बोलेंगे तो 9 1s are 9 7s are 63, 4 remains, 9 5s are 45. Now 75 and 90 15 का टेबल में है, 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are 90 and 0. Now 5 1s are 5, 12s are 60. So the answer is 12. Okay? 15 का टेबल मालूम नहीं है तो 5 करो, फिर आगे करते जाओ. Answer: how many days he has to work? So the laborer has to work for 12 days. Y is days, okay? 12 days to get rupees 900. Hope you are confident with this worksheet 1. All sums are of a direct variation. So everything is perfect. Is it okay? Bye. Thank you for watching the video. All the best.